Okay, so an IP address is made up of different portions. First of all, we get the network portion. This section of the IP address is what the router is going to use to determine where to send your data packet. This section here is the host portion. It is unique to every device that is on the network. And here's an example. Let's take a look at this PC. It has the IP address 192.168.1.2. Now, the first these digits here is what is the network portion. It is to identify what network it is, because this router will also have a similar. The first three digits will be the same, as well as the first three digits of this device, because they are all in the same network. But now you notice the last digit is different for each device. This has a 2, this has a 1, and this has a 3. The last digit is called the host portion, and it's specific to each device. Now, why is that important? It is important because let's say this device wanted to send a data packet to this device here. Yeah, this device will have a destination IP address of 192.168.1.3. So it's directed to this device. So this packet here has to travel to the router. Then the router looks only at the network portion, not the host portion. It sees, okay, and it sees that this packet is supposed to stay in the same network. And because of that, it then forwards it back to this network here and all the way through the correct device it's supposed to go to. But in a different situation where this laptop was supposed to send a data packet to a device that is outside the network, same thing would happen. The data packet would travel all the way to the router. The router takes a look at the data packet and sees that the first three digit is completely different. It has 192.169.1, whereas this network has 168. So now it knows, okay, this data packet needs to leave the network. And then it begins the NAT process, where it takes this IP, translates it to a public IP, and sends it to the cloud, where it then goes to a different network.